After I finished putting my green tree together, I realized I had a bunch of Christmas lights that were left and I wanted to use them because I had spent money on them about 7 years ago and they all still work. So I made another order and went online to Christmas designers and I bought a bunch of plugins for my wires because I don't have enough plugins for my Christmas lights because I usually just use one and then connect it all together to my tree. So I went and bought more. I have 11 Christmas strands that are the coaxial, so I have to have this coaxial end. So I went and purchased a bunch, but what I did, instead of buying a bunch of these, I bought some 3-sided coaxial connectors, and then this will connect into here like this, and then I can plug the Christmas lights into each of these pieces, and I can use one plug-in to plug in 3 Christmas lights. And then I also bought a Y, so you can see we have one that has 3, and we have one that has 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these between all the bushes I have in the backyard, because there's a whole bunch of them. And then I'll run some extension cords that I got, and I think they're 6 feet that I connect. So I'll connect it to here, and then I can run all the way 6 feet to each bush that I have. And these are all Pro Christmas, which I've really liked. I haven't had any of them go bad yet, and I've had some of them for 7 years, I believe. That's why I wanted to keep using them, because it was a little bit of an investment a while ago. So I have bought a whole bunch of extension cords, and then here's a really long extension cord. And then I can, bushes that are further away. And I have a plug-in from Lowe's that has 4 plugins, so that I have 12 lights. So then I'm going to use 3 of these, and that's 4 plugins, and I'll put 1 to each, and then 3 bushes will be on one, and it'll turn the bushes on and off, the lights on and off, and we'll see how it works. So I've never done this before in my backyard. This is just because I had extra pieces, so I'm going to try something new. Of course, a little project always seems to turn into a bigger project, so we just keep adding more. And on the bottom is just another giant strand of C7 bulbs, and they are 12 inches apart, a little bit cheaper. And I'm going to use those to wrap around the top of my blue tree out front with some of my blue jewel tones, the ones that were not perfect. So I'm excited to play with these. And what's kind of cool with this part is you can connect these into here like this. So sometimes if I need more, I can connect them together. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have strands coming out of each spot. So it'll plug in here, go into there, and go out. So just a quick little update of stuff I've been adding to my Christmas lights this year. It's been fun just to put it all together. Happy decorating!